So today my cat managed to find two, not one, but two baby birds and tried to,
kill them.
Yeah, I'm not going to say that, darling, because
Please
that's not
don't
nice.
get demonetized.
So this is what they look like if I can turn the camera around. I don't know if I can.
Looks like they can't.
Nope, I can't. Morgan.
Sorry.
That's okay. This is what they look like, and they're so tiny, and they're breathing still, so that's good, but they're so tiny. I'm still not impressed with my cat right now. But I mean, that's what cats do. It's just their life. So I don't know. There's not much we can do. But basically there's a man coming to get them, and hopefully they'll be okay. But I don't know. So hopefully they'll be okay. Oh, poor little things. Poor little birdies. Anyway, I just wanted to update you, even though I've not really posted that much. So, yeah. Bye.